I'm in the driver's seat of the food truck that is taking 5 times longer than I thought it would take. Missed the good opportunity for that calves parade, I'll tell you. Everybody was dying to get something to drink and something to eat. Well, here it is. It's getting closer, and I'm told by the end of the week, but I still don't believe it. Still got to get the wrap done, but I really am loving the way it's coming along. I just love the blue, don't you guys? The blue is fantastic. And of course we got the silver diamond plate on the floor. It's going to need to be all cleaned up. Everything's kind of messy and dirty from being drilled and sanded and everything. So, but they're going to get it going. And this is Greg. He's with A&R Customs. He's the brains behind the whole operation of this build. It's going to be a huge truck. I'm going to show you the big generators out back. There's 7,000 horsepower a piece.